Dwarka Expressway emerges as India's fastest growing realty sector corridor.
द्वारका एक्सप्रेस हाईवे है ये 29 किलोमीटर का है। लेन वाइज 563 किलोमीटर स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट है।
नया सिंगापुर इसके बाजू में बैठ रहा है।
ये मैं नहीं कह रही, these are the words of a visionary. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is your host Harsveen from SRE India Realty. Today we are at Dwarka Expressway and you can see the Dwarka Expressway right behind me in this location very clearly. Now this area has seen a lot of recent development. यहाँ पे यशोभूमि कन्वेंशन सेंटर आया है, डिप्लोमैटिक एनक्लेव, भारत वंदना पार्क, the 18-hole golf course. All of these plus the fact that Dwarka Expressway as such is a very planned location. This location is definitely worthy of considering when investing for your money to grow in the future and also if you want to live in a home here. Elan has been a thorough visionary. इनका focus पहले commercial projects पे रहा है and they have taken commercial projects to another level. In fact, they have established themselves as very reliable quality builders. और ये जो commercial projects इन्होंने किए हैं, Elan Mark, Elan Empire, Elan Paradise, Elan Mercado, Elan Town Center and Elan Miracle. All of these have taken commercial real estate to an altogether new level. 2022, however, was a defining year for the Elan Group. From commercial, they forayed into the residential segment and they launched their first project on Dwarka Expressway. इस project का नाम है Elan Presidential और इसको कुछ 2.5 साल ही हुए हैं. But you know, when they launched this project, the benchmarking of market was around 8,000 to 10,000 per square feet as far as the rate is concerned. The Elan Group brought Elan Presidential at a rate of 13 or 13,500 per square feet and the project got sold out. This reflects on the credibility and the trust and the value this group has brought to the real estate sector. No wonder they're one of the fastest growing real estate companies these days. जिन investors ने, buyers ने Elan Presidential वो 13,000 या 13,500 के रेट पर खरीदा था, they have already witnessed a massive appreciation on the money that they invested. The current going rate is about 18,000 to 19,000 for Presidential and it's an appreciation of almost 6,000 to 7,000 per square feet on your money. Elan has now launched the second phase, which is called Elan Emperor. नाम में ही बहुत वजन है. Elan Emperor का रेरा आ चुका है. It is an ultra luxury premium residences which they have launched. Let's now take you to the construction site. Come with us. Here we are at the construction site of Elan. Behind me, the towers that you see are for the first phase, which is Elan Presidential. If you see on my left hand side, this is the tower for Elan Emperor, which is going to be a 5 BHK apartment. और आगे जब हम चलते हैं, this is your site for Elan Emperor. 5 towers are coming in Elan Emperor, which are going to be constructed. 3 are open for sale right now. 2 have been kept for future launch. These are going to be big, spacious, premium, ultra luxury apartments. Presidential came in slightly smaller sizes compared to the Emperor. Emperor is only going to have 4 BHK and 5 BHK spacious large apartments and also penthouses in 2 sizes. The residential part of this particular project, Elan Emperor, is going to be in a land area of 37 acres. 80% open green area hoga. There will be wide deck balconies which will be a part of these residences. Every apartment is going to be facing internal greens. Olympic sized pool diya jayega. In fact, the clubhouse, which is being designed by Meru, is going to be the talk of the town because you wouldn't have seen anything like this before. 1.5 lakh square feet ka clubhouse ban raha hai, 8 level luxury clubhouse which is going to have 82 amenities, everything that you can think of to give you enviable resort style. कुछ 700 से 750 करोड़ का spend हो रहा है only for the clubhouse. So you can well imagine what we are talking about. This is going to redefine this luxury segment. The exact specifications of 4 BHK, 5 BHK apartments, also the penthouses, are on the screen. Elan changed the pricing, the benchmarking of Dwarka Expressway in their first phase when they launched residential, and they're back again to do it while launching Elan Emperor. जो market की एक established pricing है, उसके premium पर इन्होंने फिर से launch किया है. But we've already gone through so many reasons how they've added value and quality and finesse into this particular project. In fact, presidential के time पर बहुत सारी चीज़ें clear नहीं थी. Who are going to be the top specialists working on the project? But here we are with a long list of top-notch international specialists working on this project to make it a world-class ecosystem. Emperor is a premium ultra-luxury combination project जिसके अंदर residential है in about 37 acres. Then there is commercial complexes, branded residences, 5-star hotel, and maybe even a hospital. So this should not be actually called a project. It should actually be a township that Elan is building and bringing to you. Every builder that wants to create a legacy for itself has one flagship project which is associated with its name. एक ऐसा project होता है which is a testimony of their hard work, their conceptualization, their sophistication, the kind of quality that they have put in and the thought that they have put in to build a name for themselves. And Emperor promises to be one such project for the Elan Group. Elan Emperor is the only project on the global map. Why do we say so? This has been like the talking point ever since they launched this particular project. This is so because they have roped in world-class international specialists of craftsmanship, top-notch consultants to help them achieve their vision in every aspect. No wonder that this project is being called the Camellias of Dwarka Expressway. Luxury is all about attention to the minutest details. और इसका मतलब है small details contribute to the quality and the grandeur of each of those residences. A small example of this is that the water which is being used in the construction is actually RO water, and this increases the life expectancy of the project. Just to name a few of their masters of craftsmanship, which are all top-notch specialists in their field. For construction, their partner is Leighton, architect है UHA London का, VET design for water features, CD+M for lighting, जिसने की बुर्ज खलीफा की lighting करी है. SWA is their landscaping partner. This was also the landscaping partner for DLF Camellias. And the clubhouse is being designed by Meru. I could go on, but this list is really long and very reassuring because each of these partners are contributing to build this vision of grandeur and sophistication. Elan Emperor को कहा जा रहा है द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे का Camellias, और Camellias का करंट रेट है कुछ 80,000 पर स्क्वायर फीट. अगर इस तरीके की इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की अभी हमारी कैपेसिटी नहीं है, then we can look at something close to about approximately, not exactly, 1/4 the cost of this rate, and you can invest in Elan Emperor at this stage to make your money grow. Starting at 10 crores, this is your gateway to grandeur, sophistication and finest living. Also, it's your second chance to invest with the Elan Group. जैसे कि बहुत सारे बायर्स, इन्वेस्टर्स ने अपना पैसा ग्रो किया है They have gotten appreciation on the money that they invested in the first phase when the pricing moved from 13,500 to almost 18,000-19,000 now. उसी तरीके से जो लॉन्च प्राइस अब है और जो एक्सपेक्टेड है उसमें काफ़ी अप्रिसिएशन होने का स्कोप है. So I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to our channel and also give us a call to know more about the payment plan, about many other details of this project. Let's sit and discuss more. Thank you for watching.